Hello everyone, my name is Edison Hong, and this is Beyond 1905, Einstein's Light, Love, and Lies Review. So, what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to be introducing what it is, what I did not know, what I knew about the lecture going in, sparking curiosity, Einstein's legacy and impact, and a fascinating fact. So, introduction. I'm going to be introducing Professor Martinez and his works on Einstein. So, who is he exactly? Professor Martinez is a professor at UT Austin who teaches the history of science. He specializes on physics and other science history, and Martinez is presenting a historical novel about Albert Einstein currently. And here are some of his works. So, Einstein's Untold Years and Path Through Relativity. Dr. Martinez dives into the lesser known years of Einstein from 1905 to 1910, and he focuses on the struggles of Einstein and his journey towards relativity. He also mentions how the years contributed towards his success during that small increment of time. So, we are going to be now diving into the surprising discoveries, like his struggles, tragic events, and love life of Einstein. So let's take a dive into Einstein's early life. So his early struggles, despite him being really smart, Einstein faced a lot of failures before becoming famous, like failing to secure academic positions and getting his thesis rejected. And then also on top of that, there was a tragic event that happened in 1906 where his former girlfriend, high school lover, Marie's brother, killed part of his own family, and it occurred in Einstein's childhood home, and that left a very deep impact on him. And Marie's influence on him would be that after the incident, Einstein felt a very hard sense of guilt for not marrying her and later distanced herself from him, which complicated his personal life. So, what did I already know? So, I already knew what relativity was in a way, and it's the rules basically governing the way things move and interact, which are the same for two observers moving at constant velocity with respect to one another. And, I'm sparking curiosity now. So, some intriguing ideas that the professor mentioned were relativity and clock synchronization. So, Einstein's challenge in measuring speed in light using synchronized clocks fascinated me. The circular logic of needing synchronized clocks to measure the speed of light, but needing the speed of light to synchronize clocks was particularly intriguing. The impact of Hume and Kant on Einstein was also pretty cool too. Einstein's philosophical shift from Kant to Hume made me wonder how philosophical ideas influenced his approach to physics. So 5. Einstein's legacy and impact. So the professor also discussed that the Michelson-Morley experiment was an attempt to measure the motion of the Earth relative to its ether. So I explored how this experiment's unexpected no result, and which showed no variation in the speed of light regardless of the Earth's motion through space, which indirectly supported Einstein's theory. By disproving the existence of ether, which is a medium believed to carry light, it challenged the prevailing physics models and opened new door for new ideas and the nature of light and space. So connecting Einstein. So relativity explanation here is that Einstein's theory of relativity is provided a solution to this puzzle by proposing that the speed of light is constant for all observers, regardless of their motion. And this core idea of relativity, though not directly influenced by the experiment, aligns with the results and gave a theoretical framework to understand why the speed of light didn't change, as Michelson and Morley had expected. So here's a fascinating fact. So here's some fascinating facts. So now we're going to go back to relativity and the clock synchronization problem. To measure the light's speed, Einstein had to ask, how do you synchronize clocks across distances without knowing how long it takes light to travel? He chose to define simultaneity in a way which was groundbreaking at the time. And the impact of the Figeac experiment, as Dr. Martinez mentioned, says that even though Einstein didn't cite the Figeac experiment in his 1905 paper, it played an important role in understanding the light and inspired future work in relativity. And thank you very much.